I'm here to discuss a simple yet powerful method that can help you take control of your finance and achieve financial freedom. I'm talking about the 50-30-20 rule. What is the 50-30-20 budget rule? The 50-30-20 budget rule is a guideline that helps you allocate your income into three main categories. The first category, the 50% of your income goes to your needs. This includes essential expenses like housing, food, utility, and other non-negotiable costs. 30% of your income is allocated to your wants. This is your discretionary spending on things like entertainment, travels, dining out, and other lifestyle expenses. The remaining 20% of your income is dedicated to savings and debt. This includes retirement contributions, payments, and building up your overall savings. Now, what are the benefits of 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 budget rule provides several key benefits. It helps you prioritize your spending and savings, ensuring you are allocating your money appropriately. It ensures you are not overspending on discretionary items while neglecting your essential needs and financial goals. It provides a flexible framework that can be adjusted based on your circumstances and financial situation. By sticking to this guideline, you can work towards achieving financial stability and growth over time. The big question is, how do you implement the 50-30-20 rule? To implement the 50-30-20 rule, follow these steps. Number 1, calculate your monthly income from all sources. Then categorize your expenses into the three categories I mentioned earlier: needs, wants, and savings/debt. Adjust the spending to fit the 50-30-20 guideline. This may involve cutting back on discretionary spending or finding way to reduce essential expenses. Set up automatic transfers to ensure you constantly allocate 20% of your income to savings and debt. Remember, the percentages are flexible and you can adjust them based on your unique financial goals and situations. In conclusion, the 50-30-20 budget rule is a simple yet effective tool that can help you achieve financial freedom. By following this framework, you can prioritize your spending, save for the future, and take control of your financial well-being. I encourage you to try implementing the 50-30-20 rule and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.